Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechEPU, and in this video we will learn how to create a Facebook page. For the promotion of our YouTube channel on the Facebook, we need to create a specific page. So we will create a Facebook page with our same channel name TechEPU. So open your browser and search on facebook.com. So there are two options. You can type here directly facebook.com/pages/create, or you can click on this option given under the create a new account, create a page. This will ask you to sign in to your account. And now we are on the registration form page to create a page. Here on the first option asking to type the page name, so I am using the same name as our channel name TechEPU. So on the next requirement asking to provide category, you can type multiple categories. Now write down your bio, or you can keep this option for now, this is optional. After typing your page name and category, you just need to click on this create a page. After clicking on the create a page, on the next page Facebook is asking more information regarding our page. First they are asking to provide a website URL. On the second option they are asking to add your cell number, and on third option they are asking to provide your email ID. After filling the contact info, Facebook is asking to provide your location. On the next option asking to provide working hours. There are three options: no hours available, always open, or we can select a specific hours to show on our Facebook page. So right now I am just clicking no hours available and further clicking on the next. On the next page Facebook is asking to add a profile picture, add a cover photo. We are skipping the cover photo section. There is another option given, add a action button. You can click on this and you can see here different options are given. So I have a channel on YouTube, refer to people visit to my channel and watch my videos. So I am selecting the option watch now. Click on the checkbox and click on next, and here is asking to link your website. After typing the URL of your channel, click on the save. Now action button is also added. Now click on the next to move the page. On the next page YouTube is asking to invite your friends to like your page. I am skipping this setup. Click on the next and click on the done. That's all. Our Facebook page is successfully created. You can scroll down the page and you can see the steps that we have skipped during the creation of the page. Again Facebook is reminding that we can add, update or edit our details. So we have skipped some options. Later we will create a new tutorial video and we will learn how to complete the setting of the Facebook page. So, and we have also skipped the cover photo of the page. So in the next video we will design our Facebook cover page through Canva website. Hope you guys learn how to create a Facebook page. So bye for now. Thanks for watching.